Okay.
Welcome to Aviation Farming and the Delta 4 hangar in Glendale, Arizona.
Torque wrenches. These are.
Tonight the Bill Boss Dude's gonna do a little torque talking.
One that's over there is broken. I wanted to bring it out. It's the old style type wrench, torque wrench. This is like a little nut driver torque wrench. It has a value of, you can torque from 5 inch-pounds up to 40 inch-pounds with this little thing. This is a 3/8 torque wrench, and it has a torque value. It's in foot-pounds only, so it has a value of about 4 foot-pounds on up to 50 in that range, and that's foot-pounds. And this torque wrench I use for the bigger stuff, it's a digital, and it'll do inch-pounds, or you can have foot-pounds, and it reads it out here. You just set it and turn in this handle until you get the proper value in here, and ready to go. I don't use it too much because it's too big to use on smaller hardware. So I use this some, and I use this quite a bit. When working with the torque wrench, you sometimes, this food for thought, you sometimes have to put an extension on here, and that changes the torque value, whatever it is you're torquing. And to give you an instance, the length would be from here to the middle of the handle. So that's L for length. Okay. Then T would be the desired torque. That's T. L is length. Then Y, letter Y would be the indicated torque that we want. So Y is going to be what our answer will be in this formula when we're using an extension on a torque wrench. E in this formula equals the length of the extension. E. So these are the 4 letters we're doing with: L, E, Y, and T. So the formula looks like this. You got T, desired torque, times L, which is the length, and under that we have L, which is this length, minus E, the length of the extension that we're putting on here, and this will equal Y. This will equal the answer that we want to get for the new torque number. So let's say, for example, our extension is going to come out here like this. This is the opening wrench. So this will be our extension. And we're going to say it is, let's just say it's 1.5 inches for this length right here. 1.5. Okay. So now we'll just throw a hypothetical thing out there. We're going to say we have an extension we're adding to this torque wrench for 1.5 inches. Okay. So we're going to say that T, which is the original desired torque, let's say it's supposed to be I don't know, let's say 135 inch-pound. Right here. And let's say the length is, we're going to say the length here is 10 inches. And we're going to say the length of the extension is 1.5 inches. So now we have everything here to get our answer that we want, the new torque value with this extension. So it's pretty simple. You just take 135 times 10, the length. Torque value times the length. Okay, that equals what? 1350. Then we're going to take the length again, the 10 inches, the handle length, 10 inches, minus the 1.5. Okay, so we come up with 10 minus 1.5 is 8.5. Okay, then we're over here to equal what? So we just take 1350 divided by 8.5, and that'll give us our new torque value. So 1350 divided 8.5 divided by 8.5 is 158.8. So 158.8 inch pounds is the new torque value. We will torque it to this using this extension. So we started out, they want 135, but we had an extension, and now we have to torque it to 158.8 to reach 135. These torque wrenches are pretty easy to use. This is just a standard click type torque wrench. It is calibrated in foot-pounds. It's just a series of numbers here. You unlock it and you turn this handle to the particular, like say you want 25 foot-pounds, you would set this to 20 up here, and then you could turn this on the center line, turn this over to 5. And it would be set. Then you lock it, make sure it's set to on, and as you torque it, when it hits that torque value, it's going to click a little bit. You'll feel it in your hand more than you'll hear it probably. You can feel it and hear it. All the torque. This strut over here needs to be torqued, and using this wrench, you can see. Okay, these are now torqued. Understand a little bit about what you're torquing, what type of bolt, what type of nut, what type of washer, all that stuff you need to know. And I know this is AN bolt, so it's cadmium plated and steel, and I know that this is a nylon inserted nut. It's also a special, it's got an X on it, so it's a special bolt. Whatever that means. And you got the length and the diameter, it's a 1/4 inch. All that stuff you need to know. What I do is if you're building an aircraft, I promise you, you should really have one of these. You should buy one of these. They sell them online. FAA sells them also, I believe. But you find them online. And it's the AC4313. It's thick, but it lists all the acceptable methods and techniques and practices for aircraft inspection and repair. And you can find all kinds of good information in here. So I use this to look at for torques values on different bolts and stuff, because it gives you a charts for that. And also, you don't want to carry that big book around. You can get a small. This is a A&P. It's a little bit worn. I've lost the cover because I've used it a whole lot over the few years, and it has basically a lot of that information there in here in a smaller. You know, you can stick this in your pocket or easier in a toolbox, and it lists the same thing. It's got the torque charts in here and all about nuts and bolts and files. I mean, everything's in there. You can find a lot of charts that help you out. So I would recommend at least this, but for sure that, if you can. And then you can carry this around and leave that someplace else and refer to it. But you can carry this around easier when you're out around an airplane or something, working on it, building it. And I don't remember the name of this. I think it was just it was called something like a A&P handbook or something. But I don't remember. You can probably find these wherever you find that AC 4313 book.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.